In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use replay mode in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to use replay mode in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch, what you may try to do is go over to your career and find the replays tab. As you might be aware, the replays option is going to be available on Fortnite on PC, and this allows you to rewatch all of your recent matches. This is useful because you can see clips, you can record your gameplay, or you can simply rewatch it for fun, see what you did wrong, use it to improve, etc. There are plenty of options that you can use these replays for, but let's focus on the title of this video. As you saw, all that I had to do is go over to career and then select replays. But if you go over to career on your Nintendo Switch, the replays options isn't going to be available at the bottom right corner of the screen. So on the Switch, is this something that you have to enable? Is it saved locally on your Nintendo Switch storage, or is it not available at all? Sadly, as it stands today, and even years ago, the replay mode was never introduced into Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. For whatever reason, probably because of the lack of decent hardware on the Nintendo Switch, Epic Games decided against developing a replay mode for the Switch. So if you want to use replay mode to watch all of your recent matches, you must play Fortnite on PC. Accessing your replays on a Nintendo Switch is impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that replay mode functionality in Fortnite is only available for PC. Nintendo Switch does not have the replay mode, and unless Epic Games updates it in the future, you will remain unable to access it on the Switch. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.